The question is, from a certain place shown in an image, an engine can lift a body of mass 100 kg to a height of 20 meter in 1 minute. It given that 30% of engine power is lost. What we have to determine? Determine the amount of work done by the engine. That is our very first question, and analyze mathematically whether it is possible to determine the total power of the engine given the logical justification through the calculation. So the very first one, what we have to do, we have to calculate the amount of work done by the engine. So the engine has shown here, and the capacity of the engine is not given, but the lost power is given. So if the lost power is 30%, so efficiency will be 100 minus 30%. So the efficiency is 60%, right? And the mass of this object is 100 kilo, and the height from the ground to 20 meter also given, and the time taken lifting from ground to 20 meter, that is 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. So the very first question, what we have to calculate, we have to calculate the work done. W is equals to mgh. Let's plug in all the given value. So this is 100 kilo of the object, and g is 9.8, and h is 20. So altogether we have got the total work done by the engine, that is 19,600 joule, or this can be written as 19.6 into 10 to the power 3 joule. So this is the answer for the very first part, the total work done by the engine. Now what we have to do, analyze mathematically whether it is possible to determine the total power of the engine. So here actually I have done a big mistake, that is it should be 70%, beg your pardon, it would be 70%. So be careful when you write down something during the revision or review. You have to check whether your answer is correct. Whatever you have written down on your script, that has to be check, right? Anyways, so the efficiency is 70%. What we have to do, is it possible to calculate the total power of the engine? So let's try. So here is the engine, as we have seen here. So this is the input power, P in, and this is the P out power. So here is the loss. So 30% is loss. So efficiency is equals to P out over P in into 100%. So efficiency is how much? 70%. And here P out means the total work done, that is W, over T means the power, the output power will be the total work done by the engine, and the time taken by the engine, that is of course 60 seconds, and P in. So what we have to do, we have to calculate the input power of the machine. It means that The question was, is it possible to calculate the power of the engine? That is actually P in. So P in is equals to, so output power is 19.6 into 10 to the power 3 over 60, and efficiency is 70%. So it will be 7. So the final answer will be 466.67 watt. So this is the power of the engine. So this amount of power applied to work done for this amount, right? So